Hi guys, welcome to the Grand Leaks. Today we are going to discuss about the Shift Package Manager. It is a tool provided by the Apple. So it was introduced in Shift 3.0. Is the functionality of the Shift Package Manager is just automate the process of downloading, compiling, linking the dependencies with your project. So if you go in depth, so we have a different ways to use the Shift Package Manager. One is like adding the dependencies with the Shift Package Manager. So something adding dependencies means you can select the any particular library, you can add that dependency to your package manager through your projects by using the URL. So one more way use creating your own custom package manager for your project that can be used into the different projects as well. So yeah, let's get into the demo project on this so that you can understand much better on this. Let's go to here. So here Xcode. I'm creating a one sample project on this. So project name is Shift package pm means package manager demo. This is Shift UI related. Next I'm going to create the project now. So it's created a project, so I'm just expanding to screen so everyone can visible properly. Yeah, this is sample project, right? So now we will add a one sample library to our project using the Shift package manager. So this is, if we just run it, let's see how it will perform. Is there any issues or not? I'm just running this into it. It's build success. So still now we don't have any errors. It's great really. So now we will create a one dependency. If you go to Xcode files, there is a Shift package. You have an option to add package dependency. Here we will provide the actual repository URL. This repository, once you provide the repository URL, it will automatically take care of downloading and the compiling and the adding the respective dependencies to your project. So let's see in one example by taking the one URL. So if you go to some Alama file, or we have a one GitHub URL, right? I already opened this for you for reducing the time. I'm just going into our project. Here I am providing the GitHub URL. This is the Alama for GitHub URL. So I'm clicking the next. So it just verify for a second. It will take the latest version of respective repository. So if you want, you can change it here also. You can specify the range whatever you want. If you want any exact version, you can specify the exact version as well. So I'm going with the latest one. If you want to integrate this particular branch, so we can specify the branch name as well. We can add the commit as well here. So now I'm creating the version to the latest one. So it's resolving the Alama file, right? So it will download the entire Alama file library into your project. It will take care of linking all the things with our project. So it's take a while to download. We have to wait for, yeah, it's done. If you see here, this is the package manager Alama file. It's kind of, what kind of it is, it's a library. Add to target, what's the target, your Swift package demo, right? So I'm just clicking on the finish. So if you see here, you have an option like Swift package dependencies. Here we have a Alama file. It is the latest version 5.4.3. So if you want to use this Alama file into our project, what is the process? So just go to here. This is our content view, right? So you can just import the Alama file here. So here we have an Alama file. You can do necessary actions on it. So simply you can call Alama file shared sessions, and we have all options. You can do whatever you need it here. So it's very easy to use. Even we have a other dependency managers like Pods and the Catherines, and the Pods we mostly use it, right? Its zip package manager provides the much more easy way to add this. Okay, got it. Next, if you want to remove this, what you need to do, something like this alarm of fire, it's not required, right? In case if it is not required, what to do, if you go to our project, there is a zip package section, right? Here we can see the alarm of fire. We can simply remove this by clicking on the remove. It's gone. So it's very easy to remove as well. Got it, right? Yeah, this is using the dependency manager. So in case if you want to create your own zip package manager dependencies, how to create this? Okay, let's go into the Xcode files. We have a new option. From the new section we have a zip package. Here you can see the new one, right? It's creating the one library. We are creating our own libraries for this. uh, I'm just giving the app like app utils. You can perform the all utils here. So here you can select the particular project you want to create. So this is the project I want to add this. I'm just creating it. App utils replaces, if it is already there it will replace that one. So if you see, this is the name of the package, this is the products and the libraries. This the target should be same spell with the source name of this folder. So inside this folder we can add whatever the files you want to add. For example, this is app utils, right? We'll create the app utils file here. So if you want to use this app utils into our main target, so what we do, just go into the targets. We have a frameworks library under the embedded content. Just click on the plus symbol. You can see here app utils. Just click on the add. It's done. It's available in our targets. Just run it once. Is there any issues or not? I'm just running. So build succeeded. So no issues. So now I'm creating the one more file here. New file, new zip file. um, File name is my demo file. This is my demo file. I'm creating the class here. Class name is my user something. So here I'm creating the one static variable that is name equal to, I'm giving the one sample name Josh, creating a one class function as well. Class function that is get username. This is actually a class functions. It returns a string type, and I am just returning the name here. You just remove the static. You can use it locally. Sorry, yeah, my user dot name. I'm just returning the here. So if I want to use this my user into main target, what we need to do? Let's get into that point. We have a content view, right? So if I have a content view, so I just need to, sorry, it's not there, right? I'm just removing. So if you import the app utils, we can see the app utils, right? Just import this one. For example, in the init method, So you want to print that user details. What's the class name? My demo file. So I don't have an access for this demo file, right? Why? Because it's not a public. We can make it public because we are, this is a separate package manager, right? It contains the within the package manager access. If you want to use it in the other modules or the other target files, we should make it public, right? Now I am going to access here now again. What's my demo app? Oh, still not getting. Just let's try to import again. Import app utils. Okay, here, sorry, my demo. Let's check into, is there anything wrong here? No, it's public. This is also public class. Everything seems fine. Okay, we can directly access this. My user dot, what's the name? Get username dot get username. I am just printing this in init method, so it will just return username for this. I am just running this. Let's see. Let's build succeeded. You can see the name here, a juice, right? So why? Because first time it's not giving access means if you run it once, it will take the all new files, or else on first time it's not getting the file names directly into the different targets. So if you don't get the access for this, just run it once, then you will get the all new file access. Got it, right? So this is our one way to create a SIG package manager. So if you want, we can use it into the some other projects as well. So that if you have something like we have a network layers and the data layers, right? If you want to create one common network layer, data layer for the different projects, then we can create your own SIG package manager so you can use into the across the applications. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.